Welcome back to the Backwoods Buck Outdoors. Just got off work. I'll go down and see if I can catch a few bass, red breasts. We got a lot of rain the last couple of days. It's gonna come up about 2.5 foot. Looks good. Get on down through these little holes right here. Pretty. There's one already. Look at her. I ain't left the heel. I ain't left the heel yet. Look what a shell cracker. He ain't too big, but hey, right here at the heel. Yes, sir. Already. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day today. Man, it's pretty down here. Big snapping turtle. Big one now. There we go. Too big. Brim. Go in the box. There we go. Oh, what that is. That's a nice fish, baby. Oh, what a shell cracker. What a shell cracker. Yes, sir. Oh, a big shell cracker there now. Yes, sir. Nice one there, baby. Oh, ain't too big. Too big. Nice red breast. There you go. Another nice red breast. That's a brim. Nice brim. Pretty fish right now. Yes, he is. There you go. There you go. Another nice brim. So, brim. Nice brim. Little brim. Nice red breast. Oh yeah. Look at there, people. Nice bass. Well, that's it, people. It's getting late. I'm about to get up out of here. Got some nice bass. Caught a lot of small ones. Nice shell cracker, red breast. We got a lot of rain in the last 2 days. About 2.5 foot. Some of this water needs to run off, but all in all, did good. Can't complain. It's fishing. You don't catch them every day. And this videoing and coming down here fishing, videoing, I done lost one camera. It's tough. It ain't easy. Especially in these little rivers, you pulling over logs. Obstacle course down here. It's not no lake fishing. In these little rivers, you got a lot of obstacles to cross. But I'm not gonna stop. But for those who's already subscribed, I really appreciate it. Those who aren't, jump aboard, man. Help the channel grow. I'm putting all kinds of content. Y'all can see, go to the channel. It's not just only fishing, hunting, just daily life tasks. I'm still getting the fundamentals of this, but it's working. But until then, I really appreciate all the people that subscribe. Until next time, peace.